Judge, we've been experimenting with a new chip.
What?
There's been a malfunction.
What?
Judge, we've been experimenting with chip number 7. We've had a malfunction.
What?
Everything's gone haywire.
Where?
In Jamaica.
With who?
All the taxi cab drivers, motorcyclists, and women are moving at double speed.
Oh no, we need a chip specialist. Put out an all-alien call for a chip specialist. Get this resolved immediately.
We need a chip specialist now, Judge.
The only way we're gonna solve this problem is to contact Ross Osterbach in Jamaica. Our envoy. Call him now. Call him now. Chip malfunction.
Yeah man, we're coming live from the Trelawney Stadium where there will be reggae in the sun all the time.